Hello food freaks, and welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. So today we're eating these pecan tart. Yummy. I got these at Walmart. They smell delicious. They look nice and full of pecan and caramel. I think these are going to be sweet. So good. They're nice and soft, and definitely remind me of an apple pie. So good. These would taste so good if they were nice and oven baked. Could definitely enjoy these nice and warm with a cup of coffee. I really like the texture of the bread. It's like a cookie just crumbled in your mouth. So good. So you do get a layer of pecan, and then you get some of that deliciousness cream, pecan cream. I wish I had 2 layers of pecan. I love pecan. Nice little treat that just pop in your mouth. Perfect to have them as a little treat. Just oven bake them right before. I should try it. They're so good. They definitely fill you up. Overloaded cream. If you're a big fan of apple pies, you'll really enjoy these. That's it for today, food freaks. So next time we eat again. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.